everybody, welcome back to Throttle Grotto. It's another episode from SEMA, and this is another what tools should you get for your garage. I decided to do this to give you guys selection tools that you can pick up and pick them up reasonably and add to the toolbox you already have. So right now I'm here at the Knipex booth, and I'm sure some of you are already familiar with Knipex. They make a lot of pliers, grabbing tools, cutting tools, but pliers is kind of their bread and butter. So they actually have a pretty neat little display here that shows how these pliers that they have work. So the pliers I was going to talk to you guys about is the Knipex, and there's the number right there. 8603250. Thank goodness my eyes can still see that. Alright, so you guys are familiar with a channel lock. Channel lock works like this, and then it locks in, right? And then you pick up the channel lock, and oh man, it just reset. So this tool doesn't matter. You can pick it up, throw it around. It still maintains the same spacing between the jaws. So and if you open it up, you get a little bit of change, and then it closes down, so you can really grip on stuff. And it's super easy to adjust the actual jaws. You just press this button, and then they slide, and they're locked in. So once you set it, it's kind of the set it and forget it thing. But one of the neatest things about this is they have a little display here that shows how the force from your hand is multiplied through the tool, and you can compare it between a channel lock and one of their pliers. So let's set it up and see. The top score of the day is 2949 pound-feet. Let's see how close I can get to that. Alright, so first we're going to go in with the channel lock, and we're going to set it right on this button here. So I'm doing this left-handed just to be different. So left-handed with the channel locks, 393 foot-pounds of torque. Now if we go in with the Knipex pliers, so with the Knipex I was able to put down 1,270 foot-pounds of torque with my left hand. That's not my dominant hand, by the way. So if you need that one tool to put in your bag, like, hey, you know what, I'm at the junkyard, I lost my 15, I don't know where I set it down, you know, the 3/8 is missing, pick up one of these and throw it in your bag, and this will be a really good thing to have either around the house. You can use it for plumbing, you know, all that kind of stuff, or just use it on general car projects. It's also got a really narrow jaw, unlike me. It's got a really narrow jaw, so you can fit it in between tight spots. Head over to Knipex and check out their tool selection and pick something up, because I'm going to pick up one of these at some point too. Until next time, get out there and work on something.